Here, I'll detail how to increase microphone volume in Windows 11. So, if you want to increase your mic volume while using your Windows 11 laptop inbuilt microphone to record your screen, then here's a video for you. So, if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to increase internal microphone volume on Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, locate and click on Settings. Once you selected Settings, just hang on for the Settings page to open. Once the Settings page opens, now locate and click on System. Once selected System, come here and choose Sound. Now, on selecting Sound, you need to scroll down. So just scroll down until you get to Volume. So if this is set beneath 100, just go ahead and drag this to 100 at max. Now, once you drag that to 100, scroll down to Input. And I should say internal microphone selected by default if you do not have a third-party microphone connected. Now go ahead and click on internal microphone. Once you click on that, this is going to open a new page. Then scroll down. Come down to where you say test mode for microphone audio processing. Check default and then set this to communication. Now go ahead and click on start test to test your internal microphone on your Windows. And once that is done, go ahead and close this page and then you're good. So that's exactly how to increase microphone volume on Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.